So we need to do the like a sales based settlement. What is a sales based settlement? The last time we discussed, right, Gautam? First, I will show you like here we have to create the like a business entity. First, we need to create. There is REFX private limited. We have to create. Hmm. And the date also we will give. After that, reference factors will maintain it. And infrastructure and there is optional rate method we have to maintain. Yeah, you have to do the master data is a mandatory thing for the sales-based settlement. Save it. And year 17 has been created. Next business, okay, entity I need to create like a year, like REFX building block A, we will record. Okay, here we have to create the like a what is that? Business building also we need to create. You know very well how to create this one. After that, we have to create, there is a rental object also I need to create it. Like here, office purpose, we are using this building. Like here, floor number one, lease out to customer. We will update. And here additional data and we will maintain like a, here there are multiple things. You can put it. Otherwise, you can leave blank, no issue. No optional rate method, you can maintain. That is a mandatory one. You have to maintain. This thing also, you know. And save. Now I created the like a rental unit. Then I will go and I will create the lease out contract. What is that? Our lease out? Commercial lease out, you know. Here I will maintain rental building. What is a building? Here as a 17. And here teenage who is taking the lease, that person, okay, details also you will maintain. Contract when will start and when will close. After that, lease out to CLO customer. You can maintain. And there is a end date. Here you have to remember one important thing is you have to enable the relevant to sales. Then only you will get this option. Otherwise, you don't get. Okay, you must be enabled. After that, partner automatically it will show and terms details also it will show. And object details also it will show. Next to there is a posting parameters. Here you have to maintain. There is a account determination. You can maintain. Condition level, what is the purpose? We are giving lease to customer. In that case, what happen? Like here, we have to select the regarding to customer related. Okay, customer related office basic rent. What is the purpose? We are giving lease office basic rent. You can maintain here. Okay, Gautam, you have to maintain. After this, what happen? Once you maintain here, like a date and per monthly, you will pay 10,000. After that, I will go to sales-based rent agreement. Very important reporting rule. Okay, you have to maintain your frequency. You can maintain. Sales type also currently what happened? There is a sales type we have. Sales report you can maintain like a for monthly, like a how much quantity he will sell. Let's example there is a target value quantity sales. And date reporting start on the like 1st August you can maintain. After this, you can go to there is a sales rule. Here, sales rules level also you have to maintain a sales based rent. Here you have to put it like here how much you will monthly like you can go here sales based agreement quarterly sales to up to 1000 quarterly frequency 100 amount might be like a per month is a 10,000 you can maintain here. After that go to frequency. Here also you can maintain settlement frequency. Condition very important. Here you need to maintain regarding to sales based rent and here you have to select contact you have to maintain. It should be like a SU. Like here you have to maintain it. After that go here and sales based and participation not required optional rates method you can maintain it. Here you have to select the method, activate it. Like here we are getting the one issue. What is the issue? We need to see that measurement A001. What is this? Go to differing measurement. Here you can see like a getting issue. Like here no error, but here it was activated now. Now it was activated. Save it. And here contact number 66 has been created. Next, go to sales based retirement. Gautam, you have to do first sales report for this one. All and sales up to 31st August. Execute it. Here it should be like a green symbol. Due date is 31st August 2026. You have to do that. Save. After this, you can go to execute settlement. Very important one. First, posting to cost. You have to give the like years, sales type, and after that, you have to give a settlement up to date, parameter date, document date also you can give. Execute. System must to post here transaction. There is like a customer to revenue account and there is a like transfer sales credit linearization to revenue account. It must be generate value of this one. Go back and put the like a execute option and execute. Then it will show like this entry, this is ID, it was created. After that, second option, you have to select the sales based rent. Click on execute, it will generate. And here also you have to done. After that, sales, there is a third option, go to financial rent accounting. You can execute, you have to execute this transaction. After that, there is a final one, you have to do the calculation of the sales based rent. You can execute it here. This one also you have to run. After that, go to process sales based rent. I will see here there is a my activity of the 1.8 million. Like for example, there is a balance of 1,080,000 currently is sold in the August month. You can activate this one. You must be activated. Save. This one also we have done. After that, process sales based rent. Here also you need to activate it. Okay, sales based or settlement process. Okay, go here and here also you need to activate. After that, go to there is a posting. Now you have to execute your transaction. It should be generated of the general entry. There is a like 90 million along with the tax. It is showing as a 1.8. There is a transfer value as a 90 lakhs. It is showing. So why? Because that all called sales related settlement. Okay, why? Because vendor is expecting when customer is selling, he is expecting certain percentage for the like a income. In that case, you have to use here. Go here, click on update run, execute. There is a entry has been posted. This is a financial entry has been updated for sales based settlement. Like here, if you see there is a transfer value also it will show as a like a linearization. Okay, it will generate. After this, what will you do that? Go to periodic posting and here you need to post regarding to our first month. What is the first month value? Rent per monthly is paying around what is the value? 10,000 value is paying to us. So here if you look at there is a 10,000 value with the tax 11,200 has been updated. Okay, there is also monthly rent general entry has been updated. This is called sales based settlement, Gautam. I think we missed the recording. That's why again I recorded this one. Like let's say like these things how to do that. Okay, you can do this way. How to process sales based